How to check watch history on Twitter or X account. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your watch history on Twitter, now known as X. This feature helps you keep track of the videos and spaces you've watched. Let's get started. First, open the Twitter app or go to the Twitter website. Log into your account using your credentials. Then, once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top left corner to access your profile page. Next, look for the Settings and Privacy option in the sidebar. Click on it to open your account settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down to find your activity or activity log. Click on it to see your recent activity, including your watch history. Within the Activity section, look for the Watch History option. Click on it to view the videos and spaces you watched recently. You'll see a list of all the videos and spaces you watched. You can click on any of them to revisit or engage with the content again. And that's how you check your watch history on Twitter. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more social media tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. How to